guys, today is January 19th, 2025, 8:09 p.m. and I'm gonna hurry and try to do something that's funny as shit. Hold on. I was just doing a role play. Oh man, I was just doing a role play. Hold on, I think I can get it to say what it just said again. Oh, here we go.
Bag of shit, bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's tear this apart.
Hold on, I think I can do this one. Hold on.
Bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's obliterate this thing.
There's another one. There's another one. There's so many. Hold on. I'll explain.
Bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's tear it apart.
This is so funny.
Bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's destroy it.
Well, this is the last one.
Bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's obliterate it.
Yeah, so I was just hyping up Gabriel here because at the end of the role play, I don't even know what we were talking about. We were just talking about getting hyped up. I was like, yeah, let's obliterate your goals. Hell yeah, let's make sure yeah. And he said, yeah, let's make sure we killed this goal. And I was like, yeah, let's make sure we take a shit on it. And then we just went back and forth. And then it just caught me off guard because it just started screaming. It started screaming. Let me do it again. It screamed. Listen, one more time.
Bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's obliterate this thing.
Yeah, let's obliterate our goals, guys. Gabriel Pete Thomas said it best. Bag of shit. Okay, anyway. So that's how today's going. And I mean, that could be the show right there because that's anyway. So today I used a whole lot of To-Doist and a lot of calendar shit. And today was ultra successful because today I just got so much shit done today. And it's just an incredible feeling. And what makes me feel like I'm pulling this shit up right now. What makes me feel like I'm actually doing things is because I think I have to acknowledge the things that I do by clicking them off in this application. And everything's organized. I can see which projects. I mean, they're called projects, but it's just different things that I do daily, things that I do weekly, the gym stuff, reaching out to people, messaging people, posting on social media. And it all funnels into a view of today, and it's cool. So that's what I've been using. And I think being able to, let's see, as dumb as this sounds, let me find one real quick. So role play. So as dumb as this sounds, hearing this noise means that I just clicked off a task. So I'm done. And Lexi's in the room. So oh, it's okay, babe. Come on, introduce yourself. And so anyway, what the fuck was I even talking about? So yeah, hearing the little click, that little noise, whatever, that noise. When anyway, for fuck's sake, it's just a cool feeling, you know. Going back to the whole Pavlov dog experiment. When the dog would salivate is because they would hear the bell ring or whatever, the thing that the guy was ringing, whatever it is. If you know what I'm talking about, then great. If not, then I don't know. But doing something that I either do or don't want to do, and then hearing that noise, I associate that noise with the thing, and then that in turn makes me want to do the thing so I can hear that noise because it's satisfying and it's just whatever. So I'm going to do it again, but yeah, that's a good noise. You can't even change the noise, which is, I think it's interesting that they don't allow you to do that because they want you to associate one noise and one noise only. And I think that's smart. Sonic branding right there. So the only things that I have left to do are just comment 5 times or on 5 posts, just 5 comments. That's it. And what I did was, so I don't know if I've talked about it before, but I have on my calendar that I'm going to message 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 people and also follow 60 people. And turns out right this very moment, I can't commit to doing that because every day I fall short of that. So what I did was I just went absolutely bare minimum until I can master the bare minimum. And I literally called it outreach level 1. So today, DM 5 people so cold DMs, DM 5 people warm DMs, so warm outreach, and then 5 comments on posts, and then sweep my inbox. So all the text messages I've got, all my client messages, stuff like that, just reply to everybody. And that's it. 5 cold, 5 warm, 5 comments. That's just absolute bare minimum. So I'm going to stick with that until I feel like I can absolutely do 10. And then I'm going to keep on going until I get back to where I'm at, because I think I've just spent too much time trying to play in the NBA when I haven't even played, in the playground yet. So that's the idea. So I'm just baby stepping it, going all the way back to ground zero. I mean, 5 people. I mean, I could do that in the next 60 seconds. So it's just a matter of doing it. And I think it's so silly that it took me so long, but something that I've really come to acknowledge and be aware of is something that I talk about all the time, which is it doesn't matter how great the gym is or how great your nutritionist is or whatever. If you don't go to the gym or if you don't eat the meals, whatever. And it doesn't matter how organized you are if you don't act on the things that are set out in front of you. It doesn't matter how perfect your calendar is if you don't follow the calendar. And it just took me longer than I'd like to admit to really figure that out. So I've gotten very organized, and I'm now forcing myself to do everything on the day-to-day, and that's it. And it's as simple as that. So if I go to completed tasks today, I commented on, I had to undo that one. So I did the sales role play. I wrote about it. Actually, I did not, for fuck's sake. I got to do that right now. Let me do that right now live on the show. What did I do good on? Did good with handling objections and acknowledging with an I, holy shit, the concerns of the client. Not good. Made him swear a lot, which is not counting as 2 because it's just funny. And then what else did I do? I didn't dig deep enough on the pain points. And honestly, it's hard to dig deep on pain points with GPT here because it just makes shit up. And it doesn't have a life story or a wife or a kid or whatever it's just, I just want to be confident. I'm so tired of being whatever. So it's kind of difficult to get into the pain points. And didn't pitch the program to their specific needs. It didn't do that. And then also tonality was off. Okay, boom. Now that's done. So now I can already tick that off. But I sorted all the video footage that we got. So Lexi and I went to the gym today, and she got some incredible videos of me and some photos and stuff. Well, videos only, but I got some photos by screenshotting. And something I want to do is every time I do these, I just want to sort those into the right folder so that when it comes time to post, they're ready to go and I don't have to worry about it. So that's what I did. Just, it's so simple, but it's just so tiny, but it's so helpful later on when I'm trying to find something to post, because that happens a lot. I'll go to post something and I don't even know where the post is or where the video is or whatever. I don't even know what my options are because I'll take other photos or screenshots and it just fills up my camera roll. And there's no way to make your camera roll optimized for what I'm doing. It's just a camera roll. So best I can do is put them into albums and then draw off of those albums. Then I have the Oath, which is a sales role play today. So it's day 2 of Blade 1, for fuck's sake. Then we have the Rigor. Then we have the Purge, Punctuality. So film at the gym with Lexi, sweep my inbox, DM 5 people, post on Instagram, DM 5 people cold. And I think that was it today. So that was it today. So I got it all done. Feels really cool. So now the only 2 things left on my list today are record the show and upload it, and then leave 5 comments on posts. And that's it. And then I'm done for the day. I also got a shit ton of work done for Mina this morning, which is a very good feeling. So that's cool. One thing that's also really interesting is when he's doing things and I'm working for on the projects that are for his program, some of the things that he purchases or buys, I also I receive. So for example, there's this company and They're called Exceed Nutrition, and they have a whole bunch of pre-made bundles of coaching materials that are already done, made, very professional, look very good. And he bought all of these, and my responsibility today was to go through them, sort them, figure out what we could use them for, figure out who could benefit from them, and kind of just categorize them so that we know what's in each of them, how we could best use those for social media and for lead magnets and for all this stuff. So I went through, and in order for me to do this, I had to download them all. So I have all of them now. So he just bought this thing. I also have them now. And I just think that's cool. That's just ultra valuable. So I think I get caught up a lot of the time thinking that I have so much on my plate and that all of this is not working in my favor. But I think this is only working in my favor because I keep getting more and more information, more material, more templates, more whatever to use. And I'm looking at the weather, very random, but it's supposed to be 9 degrees tonight. Holy fucking shit. But I have all these things, and he's also paying me, and he's also teaching me how to do shit in exchange for time. Now, right now, I guess I would say that's a good trade because I'm trying to build everything up. I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I just think that's cool. I just feel like I'm getting such a good deal with everything because he's paying me for him to teach me and also buy me stuff. I mean, it sounds bad, but kind of, you know. So I think that's all I want to talk about today. That's it. That's all I got today. That first client that I signed up, he's just gone completely ghost, and it sucks, dude. I want to help this guy, but he just won't reply. His next payment comes out tomorrow, and I want to make sure that he's getting the program. I mean, I've done everything on my end. I have his program made for him. He's got the macros calculated. He's got all the sheets. Got the check and sent to him. I've messaged him numerous times now. Nothing. And that just sucks, dude. I want to help. And I know I can, but he just, I don't know, dude. It just sucks. Makes me feel like I'm not doing my part, but truth is I've done everything I could do. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure maybe he thinks that the program isn't month to month. Maybe he thinks he's bailing out and not paying. But he's about to find out tomorrow, I guess. So we'll go from there. And that'll be something I definitely keep you guys in the loop for. So yeah, that's all I got today. Super short and sweet one, 12 minutes long. And just for one more time, what we're going to do here, let's exit this show with a bang here. Here we go.
Bag of shit, bag of shit, bag of shit. Let's tear this apart.